In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the problem of your mouse cursor disappearing or not showing on Windows 11. Before we get started, you can help me continue creating useful content by supporting me through the Buy Me a Coffee service. The link to my Buy Me a Coffee profile is in the description below this video. You can also visit the site by scanning the QR code displayed on the screen with your smartphone. Any amount you choose to donate will be incredibly valuable to me. Thank you for your support and attention. Let's get started. First, let's check the hardware connection. Ensure your mouse is properly connected to your computer. If you're using a wired mouse, make sure the USB connector is firmly plugged in. If you're using a wireless mouse, check the battery and the USB receiver. Sometimes, a simple restart can solve the issue. Restart your computer and see if the cursor reappears. Next, let's check your mouse settings. Go to Settings. Then click on Bluetooth and Devices. Then Mouse. Make sure the settings are correct and try adjusting the cursor size and pointer speed. Updating your mouse drivers can also fix this issue. Right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Expand the Mice and Other Pointing Devices section. Right-click on your mouse and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. If updating the driver doesn't work, try rolling back to the previous version. In Device Manager, right-click on your mouse and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab and click Rollback Driver if the option is available. Make sure your Windows 11 is up to date. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Install any available updates. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the mouse cursor that disappeared or is not showing an issue on Windows 11. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. See you soon.